Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make a delicious treat, vegan lemon bars. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 1 cup of flour. Half a cup of coconut oil, solid. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. 1 cup of granulated sugar. Half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Zest of 2 lemons. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. A pinch of salt. Powdered sugar for dusting. First, let's make the crust. In a bowl, combine the flour, powdered sugar, and a pinch of salt. Add the solid coconut oil and using your fingers or a pastry cutter, mix it until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Press the crust mixture firmly into a greased baking dish, making sure it's evenly spread. Now, let's move on to the lemon filling. In a separate bowl, whisk together the granulated sugar, lemon juice, lemon zest, cornstarch, and baking powder until smooth and well combined. Pour the lemon filling over the crust, spreading it out evenly. Bake the bars at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the filling is set. Allow the bars to cool completely before cutting them into squares. Dust them with powdered sugar for an extra touch of sweetness and presentation. Thanks for watching today's recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my upcoming recipes.